Number 3, Lot S87 is a 1971 Oldsmobile 442 with a 455 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission. And it bid to $75,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 92,323 miles. And it's a 455 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, exterior color white, interior color black, and it's a 455 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, functional air conditioning, bucket seats and console, Hurst dual gate shifter, functional cruise control, rear spoiler, W30 emblems and red inner fenders, 5-spoke Rally 1 wheels, Firestone wide oval tires. And this was a nice car. It had a lot of nice options, a couple rare options. The cruise control had the Hurst dual gate, which was nice, with the wing on the back. Was not a W30. It just had W30 emblems on it. But that was probably the money for the car, and probably more money for the car, which Mecum auctions usually get you all the money plus, and they certainly did it on this one, in my opinion. I guess the seller needed more than that in order to let it go, so he kept it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.